Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya gini di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang ini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Ukli nongilam ke HSPDP ba KP Pangyang luong ba parti kan beteng banyadon lang Haka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA Henry Kampat dan Pat ke Jikran bat ke United Democratic Party UDP banyate lok lupa hakalenti syakaliction jit nomi kemat syaki ying derbat hawain ke jalami kelia house nam arajar arfulai luong bolai I kikai pot kubor ba omeli ke parti uba Rington Lingdo Tongkar Ubadiru Menteri Sorkar Jela Udi no ke parti Henry Kampat dan kanu ke jing pentip kebati kena nak yang jong te umeli.
Ba ka RDA itu mentah kadang dot. Empat som la penduk pendam ya kah. Di Henry ka basai ka lomba. Nadu ke MDC election. Arsa ka kendai. Na kalian jogi ki RDA parti. Ngidon ka RDA. Tang mengindon ka. Ia kata ka People Alliance. Ngidon ka RDA. Ngindon ka People Alliance. Terhadap bentak kasih gitu ambil tangkap RDA. Nanti ke People Alliance kumpa orang mantan mereka maraisu omarba, nadu MDC menjelale baik, ada jong-jong cimput baik yang kepentaban yang kan ini nyimsom dan su People Alliance, tinggi don baik tang Alliance. See, the HSPD party as of now, we are still under the umbrella of the Regional Democratic Alliance. As we have already under the RDA of the two parties. But it is very clear that we didn't engage any arrangement for People Alliance. The People Alliance, was happened only in the 2018 under the leadership of Aden as the president of the party at that point of time. But since 2019 election MDC election, as I would like to mention, that we maintain the RDA, means the alliance, in the form of possible alliance, but we did not engage in the so-called People Alliance since MDC election, as of today now. So, I'm saying the same thing, that as of now, we are still on that RDA alliance, but we did not engage or, arrangement for so-called People Alliance.
Hakawai pat kaliang ula pentip ba ke HSPDP kan airang na baro kikutunsi kibadan harilom khasi bat jantia bat benram ba ke parti syan kan salum jelang banyakren ge bontli kimat.
Hadu mentang ngampala ban onglut ya kini number of seat mempitip ba ke HSPDP kampala hi banyane baru kai kinai penduduk seat keberita ngakasi ba jantia hills region. Tenrei kumbang jule ekipor baro Aduh mentang yang untuk totally isi, idon isi kita usin idon nak pocket ban orang bang idon nak contesting position, terlebih ini lah pengelanya ke parti, ini lah organize parti, idon rut iway, te ban yo ya ke exact number of seat, te aduh mentang seat dengan pala, nama idon don agak ongoing process dan wadi kandidat dari konstitusi kita